Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to see area related to circles, exercise 12.3, 9 to 16 sums. Let us see the ninth sum first. In figure AB and CD are diameters of a circles with center O perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smallest circle. If OA is equal to 7 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so how we are going to find the area of this shaded region? Yes, how we are going to find the area of the shaded region is equal to, yes, area of a semicircle, the semicircle minus area of triangle plus the area of smaller circle. So what is that again? Area of shaded part. Shaded part is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle plus area of smaller circle. Okay, yeah. First, let us find the dimensions of all these things. What is the radius of a semicircle? Yes, the radius of the semicircle is 7 centimeter because it is given OA is equal to 7 centimeter. OA is the radius of this semicircle, right? So, radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Then, what about the triangle dimensions? Base and height we are going to find. Yes, what is the base here? Base is equal to 2 into 7. 2 times 7. OA is 7. Then AB will be 2 into 7. That is 14 centimeter. And let us see the height. Yes, height is also the radius, right? OC is also a radius of the semicircle. So, height is equal to 7 centimeter. And coming to the smaller circle, yes, we know the diameter. Yes, if OA is 7 centimeter, OD is also 7 centimeter. So, OD is 7 centimeter, that is the diameter is 7 centimeter for the circle. Right? What about the radius of the smaller circle then? 7 by 2 centimeter. Yes? Shall we apply all these things in this? What is the formula for area of a semicircle? Pi square by 2 centimeter square minus area of a triangle is half into base into height plus area of a smaller circle is pi r square. Okay. Now what I am going to do? I am going to apply all. So instead of pi I am going to write 22 by 7 and semicircle radius is 7 centimeter. So 2 times I have to write, and we have a denominator 2 already here. So I am writing as it is. Again in this place 1 by 2 into what is the base? 14, and height of the triangle is 7 plus 22 by 7. What is our radius? Smaller circle. Radius of the smaller circle is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay. Now let us cancel. 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. Yes. Then again 1 7 1 7 will be cancelled. Okay. So the remaining is 11 7s are 77 in this term. In this place, yes, 2 7s are 14. So 7 7s are we are getting 49. And in this place, when we can cancel 7 and 7. 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. So we are getting that 77 by 2. What is 77 minus 49? Yeah. What is 77 minus 49? We will be having 7 minus 49 is 28 plus 77 by 2. So we are going to take LCM. 28 into 2, we will be getting 56 plus 77 by 2. That is 133 by 2 centimeter square. We can stop with this, or we can divide and write 66.5 centimeter square. Yes, do you understand this, children? Yes, shall we move to the next one? So the area of the shaded part is 66.5 centimeter square. Coming to the 10th sum, the area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of a triangle as a center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region. We are going to use for pi 3.14 and for root 3 1.73205. Okay, let us find the solution for this. See, actually, what is the formula for area of an equilateral triangle? Area of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square, right? And what they have given instead of this area of an equilateral triangle is the area of an equilateral triangle is given as 17,320.5 centimeter square. So this is equal to 17,320.5 centimeter square. Now I am going to keep this a square this side, and I am going to take this root 3 by 4 this side. Okay, by reciprocal of this is into 4 by root 3, right? So instead of this root 3, I can use 1.73205. 17,320.5 into 4 by this I can write 1.73205. Okay, yes, when I multiply with this, yes, I will get, listen, see how many digits are there, 1 2 3 4 5. So I have to multiply with 5 zeros. Okay, once again, yes. Now 17,320.5 into 4, 2 3 4 5, that is 1 lakh is by 1.73205 into 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. Now when you multiply like this, what you will be getting? When you multiply with this, 1.73205, and how many zeros? 5 zeros. Instead of 5 zeros, I can write 4 zeros. After that fifth zero, I can keep a decimal point. I can cancel that, right? Into 4 by this one, 1.73205, and I can write all the 5 zeros, and then after when I place the digits, there is no value for those zeros. So when I cancel this, what I am getting is 10,000. So 10,000 into 4, I am getting is 40,000. Okay. So now I can write this A is equal to square root of 40,000. Yes, instead of this, I can write 4 into 10,000. Square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 10,000 is 100, right? So A is equal to 200 centimeter. That is, the side is 200 centimeter. Now here we have the radius is half of that side. Okay, so A is equal to 200 centimeter. Then the radius is A by 2, that is 200 by 2, that is 100 centimeter. Okay, now how will you find the shaded region? How will you find the shaded region? Area of an equilateral triangle minus, yes, area of an equilateral triangle minus 3 into area of minus hectare. Yes, so 3 into area of minus 3 area of minus hectares. Okay, so area of an equilateral triangle minus, right, area of shaded region area of equilateral triangle minus 3 times area of minus hectare. Okay, what is the formula for area of an equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 a square. That area of an equilateral triangle, what we have already, it is given in the thing, 17,320.5. It is given minus 3 into, what is the area of minus hectare formula? Theta by 360 degree into pi into r square. So 17,320.5 is this. When I cancel, it is an into, no? So when I cancel, what I will be getting? 120. Okay, so minus theta. What is the equilateral triangle angle? Theta will be 60 degree, right? So 60 degree by 120 into 3.14 into, what is our r square? What we have found here, 100. So 100 into 100. So 1010 cancel, 6 ones are, 6 twos are. Okay, and when I cancel this 3.14, I'll get 1.57. Then 17,320.5 minus, when I multiply 1.57 into 100, I'll get 15,700. So when I subtract, I'll get 1,620.5 centimeters square. So do you understand this question, children? See, how will you find the area of the shaded region in this equilateral triangle? Using this equilateral triangle, see, area of a shaded region is equal to area of equilateral triangle minus 3 into area of minor sectors. Do you understand? Shall we move to the next sum? Yes. See the 11th sum. On a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 cm, are made. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. Okay, we are going to find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. Okay, so here we have a square, and how many circular designs are there? 9 circular designs. Okay, we are going to find the remaining portion. So let us find. How will we find? Actually, area of shaded region is equal to area of a square minus area of 9 times, no, 9 area of circles. So minus 9 times area of circles. Okay, because each of radius 7 centimeters. So all the radius of 7 centimeters. So we can write minus 9 times the area of circles. So what is the formula for area for square? Side into side, or else we can say side square, right? Is minus 9 times the formula for area of a circle is pi r square. And let us find the side of a square. What is the side of a square? What is the side of a square here? We have, see here, we have the diameter, right? See, radius is 7. Then diameter become 14. So 14. 14, 14, 14. So 3 times 14. So what you will be getting? 42 centimeter. And then radius of the circle we are going to find. What is the radius of a circle here? 7 centimeter. Okay. Radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. It is given. So what is your side? 42 into 42. Side square means side into side. 42 into 42 minus 9 into 3.14 into 7 into 7. So side square is 42 into 42 minus 9 into 22 by 7 into, what is our r square? 7 into 7. So when I cancel 7, 7, the remaining will be 9 into 22 into 7, right? So this 42 into 42 is 1764 minus, yes, this one when I multiply 9 into 154, that I'll get 1386. So when I subtract these two, I'll be getting 378 centimeter square. So do you understand? So the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. Okay, not shaded region. Area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief is equal to 378 centimeter square. Do you understand this? Shall we go to the next one, children? See the 12th question. In figure, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. If OD is 2 centimeter, find the area of the quadrant OACB, and the second one is shaded region. Let us find the area of a quadrant OACB now. Okay, what is the formula for area of a quadrant? Yes, area of a quadrant is equal to pi r square by 4. Okay, let us find the radius of this. Okay, what is given here? Radius is 3.5. Already it is given. Okay, here the given things are OD is equal to 2 centimeter and radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. This I can write 7 by 2 also, right? So 7 by 2 also I can write. Now I am going to apply in this pi r square by 4. So instead of pi, if I use 22 by 7 and instead of r, I can write 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into the denominator 4, no, that I am writing. Okay. So when I cancel 7 and 7, 2 11s are, okay, I'll be getting 11 7s are 77, 4 2s are 8. So 77 by 8 centimeter square. Okay. And let us do the second one. Quadrant OACB, that is over. Now we are going to see the shaded region. How will you find the shaded region? Area of a quadrant minus area of triangle, right? So we are going to find the area of shaded region. How shall we find this area of shaded region? Area of a quadrant minus area of triangle. So area of a quadrant, what we have here, 77 by 8. And area of a triangle, the formula is half into base into height. Half into, yes, the base of this is 7 by 2. That is the radius, 7 by 2. And the height is, yes, what is the height? OD. OD is the height. That is 2. So when I cancel, I'll be getting 77 by 8 minus 7 by 2. So when I take LCM, I'll get 77 minus 28 when I take LCM. Okay. So when I subtract 77 minus 28, I'll get 49 by 8 centimeters square. Do you understand this, children? Thank you.